Hi everyone, and welcome back to another Ginkgo tutorial. My name is Zero and I'll be your instructor for this lesson. Okay, so this is going to be kind of like a triple decker tutorial here, because I'm going to teach you multiple things at once. They all kind of work together, so it makes sense to do them all in one video rather than in separate topics because it's all the same. Alright, so here I am at the cafe, and this happens a lot when you're drinking tea at random places, or most sits or so. You go to drink your tea and you go to put it up to your mouth and then you throw it into your chest, or you take one big slug and it goes splish right back there. And that's not good when you're trying to do like machinima, or you're taking pictures and you want to have yourself sipping tea instead of throwing it into your face or yourself. So this tutorial we're going to address that, as well as making animation suited for furniture. So really what I plan on doing, like in normal speak, I'm going to show you how to edit an already existing animation, how to export your animation scene, like the furniture and stuff, this place that we're in, so that you can make animations based on your props and stuff like that, and how to rig props to your body so you can animate them. And in this case, how to rig the teacup to your hand so that you can animate the teacup going into your mouth up to your lips and drinking, rather than just in it back. Okay, well, I guess after I do that, I might as well break it into different topics. Anyway, we're just going to dive in and see where the tutorial mobile takes us, okay? So first thing we need to do is install and run Darkstorm. This part of the tutorial cannot be done without Darkstorm. I'm sorry, there is no better way to do it other than that, especially if you bought your furniture and you want to animate it, plus extracting the scene and all. But if you feel worrisome about installing and running Darkstorm on your computer, there's always Sandboxy. You can just run that, and then you can still do the same thing while being protected from all the stuff. But I used it and nothing's happened, so yeah. Anyway, let's go. So what we want to do is start by exporting our environment. So I'm going to go to edit, and I'm going to hold down shift, and I'm going to select everything that I want exported. In this case, I want to export the cafe that we're in, as well as the table and chairs, and I guess the plate and spoons. That way, in case I decide let's make some eating animations, we have the spoon and plate and all that stuff there as well. I don't think we need the grass and stuff outside. I think that's just ambient, so we're going to skip that. So once everything is selected that we want to export out, oh, I can't forget, we need the teacup. Alright, now we have everything selected. We're going to go to save as, and then do collada, and hopefully everything saves. So it's showing us all the textures, and we're just going to hit save as, and I'm going to save this as in a new folder, and then just call it C. And we're going to wait for Darkstorm to do its thing and then export us out. Great. Now we are going to extract the animation that we're currently running. That way, if you don't want to create a whole new animation from scratch, you can use the existing animation and just modify it so that it functions properly. So how do you do that is you right click on your avatar here, and I think you go Darkstorm Anims, or Avatar Animations here, and you look at the little preview person here and see what animation is running. I think this is the one that I'm using now. Usually the one that you're on says playing, or it tells you which one you had a while back. So yep, that's it, sipping. So we're going to just press open, and we're going to save it as a BVH, and I'm going to name it drinking so we know what it is. Alright, so that's it for that. And the last thing we're going to need is, you're going to need to export your shape So you have yourself in there. There's no point in using a roof or something for your character if that roof or fill up is too short or too tall or something like that. So you're going to want to export your shape. So you do that by going develop, avatar, character test, and appearance to XML, and then you click that and export your shape. I already did it in preparation for this, so I don't need to do it again. So we're just going to close this because we don't need it. And now that we have everything extracted that we need, we're going to go over into Blender and then start, animating and setting up.